Good morning, hello, thanks for watching Kalkine TV. My name's Sage and we have the buzzing stocks for the day for you. I'll be bringing you all the financial news today. Buckle up and get ready for a roller coaster ride on the markets. Looking at the Australian share market, it was a sea of red this morning after Wall Street resumed its December sell-off on worries about rising interest rates. Just 8 stocks are higher on the ASX 200 index and the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 63.20 points or 0.88% to 7,089.30 as of the 23rd of December, 10:25 a.m. Sydney time. The Australian dollar is lower at 66.66 US cents and all sectors are lower, led down by industrials, energy stocks, real estate and even technology. Lithium explorer Lake Resources is the worst performer, down 6.79%. The Media Group News Corporation is doing the best at 1.5%. Moving on to the latest business updates, retail food group skyrocketed 16%. It settled legal proceedings for misleading representations, with the ACCC agreeing to pay $10 million. The ACCC has accepted a court-enforceable undertaking from Retail Food Group, in which the operator of many well-known franchising brands have agreed to make payments to and waive historical debts of a number of affected current and former franchisees in relation to the purchase of certain corporate stores by these franchisees. And Retail Food Group will also pay $5 million to franchisees of Michelle Patisserie stores who paid levies into that franchisee's marketing fund between 1st July 2012 all the way through to 30th June 2017. The Star Entertainment Group eased 0.4%. It is considering the effect that the New South Wales government's proposed increased duty rates may have on its operations. And taking a look at Warrego Energy, its stock tumbled 5.6%. Hancock Energy made its all-cash offer of 28 cents for Warrego unconditional. Hancock filed a 5th supplementary bidder's statement with the ASX on Friday and said it had freed the offer from all conditions. Sierra Resources rallied 0.4% after Tesla increased its planned offtake of active anode material. And the Regal Investment Fund will pay a distribution for the half year ended in December 2022 of 15 cents per unit. The final distribution, to be announced mid-January 2023, will reflect the income, including net realised capital gains. Elmo Software continues to unanimously recommend that Elmo shares vote in favour of a takeover deal offered by the US-based K1 Investment Management. And Elmo co-founder, CEO and major shareholder Danny Lessam entered into a voting and rollover agreement with Manhattan Bondi Holdco, an entity controlled by K1 Investment Management, in favour of the scheme. In the US, Tesla shares sank 9% on Thursday to their lowest level since October 2020 after the company upped discounts on its electric vehicles as investors grow more sceptical on Tesla's growth story, especially with its CEO Elon Musk's head turned by the new apple of his eye, Twitter. Thanks so much for your company on that report, and thank you so much for joining Kalkine for this year. That'll be the last ASX buzzing stocks for the day for this year. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and Happy Holidays to all those not celebrating Christmas. Another episode will be coming your way after the new year begins. Until then, please keep watching Kalkine's live stream. This is Sage signing off for now.